In this video, I'll show you how to add product tags to Facebook posts step by step. Product tags help you showcase items from your Facebook shop or connected catalog, making it easier for customers to learn more about your products and make purchases. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your Facebook page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your page if needed. Before creating your post, make sure your Facebook shop or product catalog is set up and linked to your page. Next, tap Create Post and add your caption, photos, or video. Before publishing, look for the Tag Products or Products option. Tap it. Then browse or search your product catalog and select the products you want to feature in the post. If you're tagging products in a photo, place each tag on the correct item so customers can easily identify it. Review your post to confirm that the product tags are attached correctly. Then tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. If you don't see the Tag Products option, your page may not have an approved shop or connected catalog, or the feature may not be available for your account, content type, or region. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.